after you've downloaded the mobile app, I'm going to show you the best configs so that you can back up your whole iPhone. Now, when you're doing your first backup of your whole iPhone, it's best to have your phone plugged in and leave it on the screen overnight because, in my case, I had over 24,000 pictures and videos to back up. After you back it up the first time, it gets much easier and it's much simpler. So the first thing you want to do is come down to settings and you want to go auto upload. Now the first thing you want to do when uploading to the cloud is choose a folder. You can see here that I made a folder called iPhone. So choose a folder first, click here, and then I have iPhone selected, so I'm just going to cancel, but you're going to create a folder at the bottom, call it iPhone, or if you're on Android, or whatever you want. That's for your reference only. So I'm going to cancel this because I've already created my folder, and then you're going to want to look at these configs. You're going to want to auto-upload your photos, okay, so I have mine here, auto-upload. Now, depending on your cellular plan, if you don't have unlimited data on your cellular plan, you're going to want to check this off and use it on Wi-Fi only. I have an unlimited data plan, so I have it off. And then same thing with videos, especially videos. If you don't have an unlimited data plan, make sure it only uploads during when you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection, okay? So those are the two things you want to look at. So again, create your folder, then scroll down, and right here you're going to see upload the whole camera roll. But before you hit that, you're going to want to check off this button, use subfolders, because it's going to be much easier to find your photos in the cloud itself. So once you've created your folder, then you're going to want to click upload the whole camera roll. Once you click that, it's going to take a couple of seconds, and then once it's done, if you come back and you hit the more button again, from the more, you can go to your transfers, and you'll see your transfers here. Once your media starts to upload, like your photos and your videos, you can come to the media portion here, and these pictures here are all pictures and videos inside my cloud. It looks like it's local on my phone, but it's not. These pictures and videos are right in the cloud itself. So that's the best configs, and again, I can't state enough, your very first upload, you're going to want to plug in your phone and leave it on the transfer screen. So what do I mean by the transfer screen? Come here and leave it on this screen here. So again, how to get to that screen? From here, go to transfers, leave it on this screen, leave your phone plugged in overnight, because again, if you have anywhere from 8 to 10,000, or in my case, almost 25,000 videos and pictures to upload, it's going to take all the battery on your phone if you don't have it plugged in. But once again, once you're done that, it's very seamless and you can have the app run in the background anytime. So those are the best configs, and I hope you enjoy the iPhone app.